recording.
Alright, you have heard me talk about Hammer's Hidaway. Well, I'm going to lunch there right now. So we are in Coker Creek, Tennessee on Tennessee 68. We are south of Tellico Plains. So if you just rode the Skyway like we did, that'd be the Chirahela Skyway if you're watching this and you're not from around here. We came off the Chirahela Skyway, jumped on 68, and now we're headed to go get a hamburger. They also have pizza and some other stuff, but I'm in the mood for a hamburger. I guess we just passed a gold mining place. Coker Creek was known for gold mining back in the day. I don't think I can be a gold miner. Seems like too much excitement, too much adrenaline. I guess we are not doing the speed limit today. That used to be Seven Sisters Honey and Ice Cream. That is our friend Shane's mom and dad's place. We used to stop there to get ice cream once in a while. Shane's mom's got to be the nicest woman in the world. This is what it's like to ride a motorcycle in slow motion in the mountains. I'm not sure I've ever come through here at 30 miles an hour. There's no reason for this guy to be going 30 miles an hour. I mean, he's just being an asshole. But now you get to view the scenery. There are no shortages of churches out here either. You can't find a gas station or a convenience store, but there's a church every 100 feet. Thank God we have arrived. I'm sorry this video was boring as crap, but we are almost at Hammer's Hidaway. You can see the RV park over there. I know this video sucked. Don't give me a thumbs down, please. I cry a little bit when you guys give me thumbs down. But there it is. There's Hammer's Hidaway. This is a secret, so tell all your friends and neighbors about it, because we absolutely want everybody to come here and eat. The more people that eat here, it'll keep these folks in business. And that's kind of what we want. All right, thanks for watching.